So today we're going to be replacing the reverse light bulb on this Chevrolet Silverado. It's going to be the exact same for 1500 up to 3500 models. Only tool required is going to be a T15. I'm going to be using the drill to make it a lot faster. Go ahead and open up your tailgate, and we're going to remove bolt 1 as well as bolt 2. And we're going to go ahead and come around, create a little bit of wiggle room, and start pulling the light towards you to remove the 2 clip fasteners that are to the body frame. You can see there. And we're going to go ahead and remove our reverse light bulb, which is in the middle. Go ahead and turn counterclockwise or to the left to remove the bulb. As you can see, our old bulb is here, and this is a 921. We got our new bulb. We're going to go ahead and insert that. Simply insert the bulb, and we're going to go ahead and fasten the bulb, twisting clockwise or to the right. As well as go ahead and align those clips to the frame. Go ahead and give it a couple taps until it fastens. And now we're going to go ahead and install our 2 T15s, starting with the first and the second. Now that everything is secure and fastened, go ahead and close your tailgate, and you are good to go.